Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Fetch AI continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a significant area of support at the $0.7431, which is an area that was initially acting as a resistance, but we managed to break above that, flipping it back into support. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing much of a retest, and if the retest is a success, then I'm expecting Fetch AI to continue seeing higher prices and get us above the 0.8. And the moment we manage to break above the 0.8, we can have our next target areas above the 0.85 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that Fetch AI can try to give us a retest over here, but the retest might not be a success. And in case such a movement plays out and maybe we lose that key area of support, maybe with a retest, then I will be expecting for Fetch AI to continue breaking down to the next key area of support, which lies above the $0.6115. And as long as that continues to hold, we can still expect higher prices. And the movement that we are seeing at the moment has come after a massive bounce of this red target area that I have here on the charts, which is an area that I gave you basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, connecting the Fibonacci's from the low that we made at the $0.4686 to that high above the 0.75, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, so a reaction of it and started that massive bounce to the upper side. And as long as significant areas of support continues to hold, there are chances that we can easily get above the 0.8 in the next coming hours. Jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. You can see that last year in November we saw our lows below the 0.0525 before we picked in a 5-wave move to the upper side at the beginning of this year, in a move that completed the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into our minimum target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we fully maximized, so a reaction of it in a move that I'm now terming as the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and its minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting the trend-based fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So that is the price action that I'm watching out for here on the Fetch AI chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.